Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook rice in a crock pot. To begin, gather your ingredients. For every 1 cup of long-grain white rice, you'll need 2 cups of liquid, like water or broth, and about a half teaspoon of salt. This 2-to-1 ratio is key for fluffy results. Ensure your slow cooker is at least 2 quarts in size to accommodate the rice as it expands. Now let's get cooking. First, lightly grease the inside of your slow cooker with a little butter or cooking spray. This helps prevent sticking. Then, simply combine your 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of liquid, and half teaspoon of salt directly into the pot. Cover it and cook on the LOW setting for about 2 to 3 hours or on high for 1 to 1.5 hours. It's that easy. You'll know your rice is ready when all the liquid is absorbed and the grains are tender. Resist the urge to stir while it cooks, as this can lead to a gummy texture. Once done, turn off the slow cooker and let the rice rest, covered, for about 10 to 15 minutes. This crucial step allows the steam to redistribute. Finally, gently fluff with a fork, and it's ready to enjoy. Want to try variations? For brown rice, use 2.5 cups of liquid per cup of rice and cook for 3 to 4 hours on LOW. You can also boost flavor by using broth instead of water, or by adding your favorite herbs and spices. A pat of butter at the end adds richness. If your rice is too sticky, try reducing the liquid slightly next time. If it's too dry, add a little more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.